Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are installing a commercial air conditioning system here, a 7.5 ton split, which means that half of it is here. That's the outside unit. It's going to go up on the roof up here, and that is this right here is a heater. That's the heater. And that is the AC that goes in the attic above the ceiling. That's a big boy here. And it's gonna go working in here. It's gonna be a gymnasium, but it's gonna go over there inside. And this is the other unit. There's two units. This is another one that we installed yesterday. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration needs. 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web, www.abcaustin, acandheating.com. Okay? See you guys in the next video.